Beautiful mistakes, I'm waiting inside my head. She's naked in my bed, and I will lie awake. Beautiful mistakes, I made them taken back. And with the past, and I lie awake. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing I think the name of the song is Beautiful Mistakes. Let me just confirm. Yes, Beautiful Mistakes by Maroon 5 featuring Megan Thee Stallion. Alright, so we're gonna play this with basic chords. I'm gonna put my cap on fret number 3 and the guitar is in standard tuning. Alright, so the chords that I'm playing here are C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, okay? And then we go to G. G is 3, 2, open, open, and I'm holding 3, 3 at the end. 3, 3, okay? And then we go to, so we have C, G, and then we go to A minor. A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, and then we go to E minor, alright, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So that's the first part of the chords. They change, it's first, second, and then you keep repeating that cycle, first and second. So the first one is C, G, and then A minor, E minor, all right? And then we go to C, G, and then this time we play D twice, all right? So C, G, A minor, E minor, C, G, and then we go to D, 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 okay? So that's D twice, D, I said it 4 times the other time because I was doing per strum, not per place. Alright, so the strumming pattern here is, so that's down, 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 down. Alright, and you can spice it up. You can maybe put some flick. Here I'm playing. Okay, so that's down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Alright, but if you want to play it the basic way, it's down, 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 down. Alright, so we have beautiful mistakes I make inside my head. Lying in my bed, I wouldn't take them back. Beautiful mistakes I lay inside my head. He's naked in my bed, I wouldn't take them back. Beautiful mistakes. Alright, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I'm trying to keep it as short as possible. That's been it for this one. So do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.